Hello, I'm Pameesha CIS and my student ID is 2115052. I'm following BSc Honours in Computer Science and Software Engineering at University of Bedfordshire. This assignment is related to Comparative Integrated Systems module, and for this I have designed web-based mathematical game. Basically, it needs to satisfy object-oriented, event-driven programming, virtual identity, and interoperability. Let's see how is my project justify these things. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL has been used as the main technologies in the game, other than the front-end designing by using JavaScript. It has been used to handle most of the main parts within the game. We'll discuss few main functions. Admin submit. When the admin update and submit the questions, this function reads all the inputs. In here, ID equal to 1 means level 1. ID equal to 2 means level 2. Level 3, level 4, same happening. You can see this is the code to update the questions in the database. Most of the JavaScript functions will be communicating with the backend server scripts through jQuery and Ajax. This is an example for that. Finish function. This function checks the answers and calculate the points when the user finishes the game. When we click the finish button, the system shows the correct answers and calculate the points. Same happening to level 2, 3, 4. Level 5 and 6, hard code. And those things can take as event-driven. And when it's come to the backend scripts, there are few main scripts. This is the script that initiates the database connection. And this script will be retrieving the higher scores along with the user's higher score. And in here, the script retrieves questions from the database and pass to the front end. And the special thing is randomly generated questions are showing. That means in database there I have several questions. Here level 1, you can see that I have more questions, but it takes only 5 questions randomly. The main packages that I have been used can be considered as jQuery and Ajax. As APIs, I have used Count API for page visit, and this is the endpoint, and Authentication API for login and register. For both user and admin, this is the endpoint of the login, this is the endpoint of the register. The user's login details will be saved in the backendless DB. In here you can see the email, first name, last name, username, all the details, last login, user status, and also password that is encrypted, so it's can get as encapsulation, and also number of requests. Here that I have another special function that is update questions. Admin can update questions. In first 2 levels, the answers get by this code. That means the first 2 levels having automated process. We'll quickly go through the game interfaces. In here there I have two buttons: continue to game for player and the login as admin for admin. In here you can see there have page visits and it count the number of visits. Now you can see it's 100. When I visit again, it shows us by incrementing 1. We'll continue as player. Then in here login, you need to add username and password so it can get as virtual identity. We'll register if you are logging for the first time. Then it navigates to the game, and in my game there I have 6 levels. First 4 levels number questions. Here you can see when I click start button, it start the time also and also showing the questions. And before I have mentioned that the questions are in randomly generated method. So the first question is 5 minus 1. When I refresh and start, now it is 5 plus 3. We'll give the answers. We'll give correct and also wrong answers. When I click finish button, the system shows the correct and wrong answers. Each level by level, it will be bit hard. In level 5, there I have some images as well. Level 6, also same, but bit difficult, more than level 5. And here, this is the scoreboard, and the scores are updated in level 1, and the total score also there. When I click update scores, the message saying update successful. So when I click OK, it shows the previous high score. And here are the first 3 places. We log into the admin. Admin can do several things. Admin can update, admin can delete and add. Here you can see it navigates to the interface, and the special thing is first 2 levels. I have mentioned before also. First 2 levels no need to add the answer because it is auto generating, but 3, 4 need. Here 3, 4 you need to add the answer also. We'll add a question. Let's say 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Click submit. Then it shows updated successfully. Click OK and we'll check in the DB. Level 1. You can see here 5 plus 4. It was updated and the answer also there. As the admin can look on those 4 levels, update those levels, and also admin can see the first 3 higher scores. This is my game and how it's work. Thank you very much.